Did you know that ducks' feet don't get cold because they don't have any blood vessels or nerves in their feet? I didn't know that. They also have waterproof feathers so that they can stay warm and dry and the water rolls right off their back. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about ducks. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
All right, first let's start with the eye. At the center of your page, and draw oval. Circle inside, and then color the bottom half. For the head, we're going to draw a circle, but don't close it. So start about in line with the eye. And then we'll draw a squiggly line for the beak. Move out a little bit. Add the nostril.
There are 130 different species of ducks around the world, except Antarctica, because it's too cold. A group of ducks is called a waterfowl, and they're very connected to their children. They have a very strong family bond.
For the body, we're going to draw a larger oval, but we're going to add tail feathers in the back. So start down here, in line with the eyeball, we're going to do a little bit of a neck. Then we're going to take your marker from the front, and down the back, and draw your tail feathers. Now for the front wing, you're going to draw circle and then stop back here.
Ducks normally migrate between 200 and 4,000 feet in the air, but they're known to fly even higher. It was once reported that a duck crashed into a jet at 21,000 feet.
And then let's add those same feathers. And now for the legs, do 2 legs down. And then they have webbed feet, so open triangles. And go ahead and web those at the bottom. And then add some designs if you'd like.
Ducks are omnivores, which means they like to eat plants and animals. They have a wide variety of food that they like, such as grains, seeds, fruits, and they can even dive underwater to get small plants and small fish.
We can add a ground here. Squigglies.
Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Ducks have impressive eye features, like having 3 eyelids, seeing in color, they can see very well underwater, and they can see 340 degrees around them. After breeding, ducks lose their feathers in a month-long process called molting. In that time span, they have to be very careful of predators because they cannot fly. Male ducks are called drakes, and they're much more beautiful than the female ducks, which are called hens. And those cute little babies are called ducklings. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this art class, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for upcoming art classes, and if you're interested in drawing some more, take a look through the library. There's a bunch of classes for you to choose from. I cannot wait to see what you create. Make sure you tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. See you next time.